first thing I want to teach to homemakers, like first of all you have a roof in your on your head. तो उसके लिए कैसे gratitude pay करना है, and blaming to my husband for every situation, उससे कैसे बाहर निकलना है. And yeah ma'am, it's a journey, and I'm on the journey. I have started going independently to other people's house, and to the meeting I have gone twice, and दूसरी female से भी बात करने के I used to feel, you know, she's तो earning, she's more educated, but no, the energy queen के system से, the, you know, how to raise your energy. It's not about earning money, how to raise the energy of a female also who's working, but her self-talk is not good.
So welcome once again to our Hall of Fame interview with my beautiful soul, with my beautiful energy queen, Aditi Verma. Yes, and she has also transformed her life a lot, for that matter, after working on the energy queen system, her energy frequency, right? Her money frequency, her relationship frequency, her purpose frequency, for that matter. And her, most importantly, I would say her personal, that is her personal life, her confidence level has really, really evolved. Yes, am I right, Aditi? So
Yes.
over to you now, and let just enlighten us bit about how you could transform your life completely. Chaliye, over to you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. And when I joined, I don't used to look at the mirror every day, and my relations are at mess. I was giving more than 100% to everything, but nothing was working in favor of me. I was not getting the respect, the love I deserve it. पहले मैं बोलती थी I expect, but now I deserve it. Because जो मैं deserve करती थी, जो मैं दे रही थी हर चीज को, that was not coming back to me. And yes, and the confidence was like very fluctuating. I will not say कि बिल्कुल नहीं था, but it was very fluctuating. अभी yeah.
Let's do something. Let's talk about one at a time. So, आप बोल रहे हो कि what you just said was that your relationship with your own self was not good because you could not even look at the mirror, right?
Yes.
And plus, you were giving so much in your relationship, but you were not getting back the way you wanted to, right?
Yes.
Am I right? And you deserved it, but you were not getting it. So
Yes.
let's elaborate on that. And now, what is the difference what did you do that things have changed so much, for that matter? Right? And now what is the scenario like in your home and with your own self? So let's talk about that.
So yes, ma'am, I used to not tell me the exact what I am feeling about a particular situation. I not used to share with my husband specifically and my in-laws because I used to feel like they will judge me. तो मैं वो ही बोलती थी what they want to listen, and I used to suppress. And a specific incident which there are so many incidents, but specific incident before my birthday, 5-7 days before, I had a huge fight with my father-in-law, and I was like, that day I took stand for myself, and I've said, I've share everything what I was feeling and what I went through, and after that I was feeling, oh God, now this thing has also gone, the last one thing जो थोड़ा सा भी बचा था वो भी चला जाएगा. But he surprised me on my birthday, and in front of everybody he kissed me, he hugged me, and he said she's my daughter. So that journey from daughter-in-law to daughter was very a roller coaster for me, and मेरे को trust ही नहीं था कि you know that people will shift their energies towards me.
Right. So
Yes.
what happened, my dear? Did people shift their energies or you shifted your energy? Tell me that now.
Yes, I have shifted. Definitely. The trust have increased much more. That you know, yes, universe is मतलब trust मैंने खुद में किया, फिर universe में किया, and what I can see in my family. Yes.
Now your relationship with your in-laws have become much better, for that matter. All the little resentments.
Just started listening to me. जो क्या बोलते हैं ना, हमारा कोई सुनता नहीं है, जो main एक रहता है for a girl. They listen to me. वो सुनते हैं जब मैं कुछ बोलती हूँ, वो सुनते हैं उस बात को. And husbands respects me more because because of the family situation.
Yeah, so your husband is also listening to you now.
Yes.
Earlier he used to not listen to you, but now the in-laws have started listening. So even the husband has started listening. Yes, is
Yes.
that so?
Yes, ma'am. Because respect have increased.
Your respect have increased. So
Yes.
एनर्जी लाइए आदिति. I mean, क्लास में जो एनर्जी रहती है आपकी, right?
Yes.
This आप बोलते हो कि अरे ये हो गया, अरे वो हो गया. Yes. So I can
Yeah.
understand that completely. So God bless you and your family. And I remember you used to be also feeling that, why is it happening with me all the time?
Yes.
What have I done now? But you've taken responsibility. So let's just elaborate on that a little bit more. What is the relationship with your own self right now, Aditi?
So, ma'am, it's like I used to blame me for everything. जो भी गलत जा रहा है मेरे को ऐसा लगता था सब कुछ मेरी वजह से हुआ है. If I am not taking action also, so I used to feel कि मैं तो पहले से ही ऐसी थी, मैं तो lazy थी, मैं तो ये हूँ, I was labeling myself every day. मतलब इतना labeling, doing everything. Everything is moving, everything is taking things and things are going on. सब कुछ हो रहा है, बच्चा भी पढ़ रहा है, husband is also, everything is settled. But my inner talk, my self talk was so bad that I was like a scared person, a fearful, fear से भरा हुआ एक होता है ना वैसा I used to feel it. And I knew everything. I had the talent also, but that one step, how to take that step, how to move forward, how to get out of that shell, that was very, very, that first step was very difficult.
But now आप बताइए क्या सिचुएशन है आपकी लाइफ में, आप ये तो बताइए.
Yeah, yes,
Now, yes, the new Aditi Avatar. So tell me, Aditi.
Now I'm taking actions. I'm helping the women around me. First I started with my home, and I live in a society, so they are also they approach me for everything. Now I hear good things about me from YY person, like she's a helping person, and she gives direction to you. She says straight thing. वो help करती है, and I have started creating course also for women. Yeah, because gratitude was very less in my life also. I was not saying gratitude to everything. Maybe that was the first reason. I was not seeing things कि मैं किस चीज के लिए gratitude feel कर. So I feel like कि first thing I want to teach to homemakers, like first of all you have a roof in your on your head. तो उसके लिए कैसे gratitude pay करना है, and blaming to my husband for every situation, उससे कैसे बाहर निकलना है. And yeah, ma'am, it's a journey, and I'm on the journey.
Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. So this is about the relationship frequency. You've mastered, Aditi. You've nailed it for that matter. Getting
Yes.
your in-laws turn around is a very big thing.
Yes.
And your husband also now listening to you. Super duper amazing. Right? And plus you have now, can you look in the mirror now? How many minutes do you look in the mirror? Now you can proudly love Aditi in the mirror, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, morning and before sleeping. 5 minutes morning and 5 minutes before sleeping. And ma'am, yes, money is a big thing. पहले मुझे लगता था it's okay, husband is earning good, but वो एक I used to not share that I want to earn because मुझे लगता था people कर तो रहे हैं, चल तो रहा है, अच्छा ही है. Then वो एक अंदर का था, मैं share ही नहीं करती थी कि I want to earn. I want to earn specific things for myself, and now I'm attracting. मेरा I will honestly say मेरा account भी मेरा नहीं था, husband के account में था, तो account भी करा बैंक में, and I'm getting money, and frequency have raised. The small amount, and it has raised.
Yes, it keeps
Yes.
coming into your ping, ping, ping,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And it's just the beginning, my dear. Yes, and in fact,
Yes.
one day you came and told me that you were given an opportunity to speak in a forum also, for that matter.
Yes.
Yes, so let's talk about that. What happened then?
So that's what I'm saying. Just one step. My first Instagram live, and people approached me. One of the person in my same city, he approached, that he was like, why are you not telling that you are doing? You are doing such a good things, and people need help. Specifically, women need help. So he was like, come and just come. You have to be out now, and you have to declare it to to whole of the city basically. And ma'am, from BNI, I got the opportunity as a visitor. I went there, and just many people. I've met many people, and we exchange the contacts, and it's on the way. I am doing things.
Right.
I'm creating things. Yes.
Yes. Amazing. Super duper amazing. So you've become an action taker. You've learned how to, actually showcase your talent to the world because you are talented for that matter, Aditi. Yes, abhi tak chupi hui thi, Aditi, but now you've opened up completely for that matter. So your relationships have improved drastically. Your, I would say, your money frequency is going up now. You've discovered your life purpose. You're doing now things for women, especially, right? That's what you want to do also. And you that. So anything else which you want to throw upon, any incident if you want to reflect or any if you want to talk about. Yes, Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. One thing that I used to always look for support. Look for support and complain ke support nahi hai, support nahi hai, ye nahi hai. Then like these meetings, जो काम से related meetings होती है, that completely I used to avoid. कि वो तो हस्बैंड के बगैर जाएंगे ही नहीं, कोई एक होना चाहिए साथ में, कुछ तो होना चाहिए तो जाएंगे. I have started going independently to other people's house and to the meeting. I've gone twice and दूसरी female से भी बात करने के. I used to feel, she's तो earning, she's more educated, but no, the energy queen के system से how to raise your energy. It's not about earning money. How to raise the energy of a female also who's working, but her self-talk is not good.
Right.
She is not feeling good. So now I go individually. मैं बात करती हूँ, अपनी चीजें दिखाती हूँ उनको कि ऐसे आप अगर अपना दिन प्लान करें एंड अब हैबिट ट्रैकर फॉलो करें एंड you will feel energized and you will feel at peace mainly. So I've started going alone. That is the main thing. Without my husband.
So now you can decide and you stop seeking validation from other people. Right? Aditi, awesome. So Aditi is becoming an energy queen now, and very soon she'll become the energy empress also. Right?
Yes.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Aditi, for inspiring so many people. Anything last which you want to say? Once again, अगर आपको लोगों को inspire करना है, अगर आपको कुछ भी बोलना है, तो क्या बोलोगे आप?
मैम आपको तो थैंक यू. फुल लाइफ जब तक है तब तक रहेगा ही. बट आई विल से फॉर मी गेम चेंजर वाज एफर्मेशंस. मैं जो एक खुल के बोलना होता है ना यूनिवर्स को, वो तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक निकलता ही नहीं था. तो माय फर्स्ट वीडियो वाज आल्सो एफर्मेशन चेंज माय लाइफ ऑनेस्टली. जो मैं एकदम जोर से बोलती थी ना, अपना दरवाजा बंद करके, लाइक रूम का एकदम, मतलब ऐसा होता था यूनिवर्स डायरेक्ट, आई एम टॉकिंग टू द यूनिवर्स.
Yes, so the morning energizers really helped you.
Yes, morning energizers, the vibration I used to feel in my body, that was amazing.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Aditi, for sharing this and inspiring everybody. Thank you once again for coming for this Hall of Fame interview and letting the world know that you are the energy queen and every woman can become the energy queen if they really want to for themselves. Yes, amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, my dear.